Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making a quick video on how I make eggs in the microwave. So you'll just need a couple ingredients. I'm using 2 eggs, but you use what you want to use. You're gonna need a microwave safe cup or bowl, seasoning of your choice. I like adobo, and you'll need some water. I'm using about 2 ounces, an ounce per egg. And the reason for the liquid is just to make sure the egg stays soft and airy. And you can use milk if you want to. It's all up to you, as long as you're adding some liquid though. So I added my water and my seasoning, and now I'm just going to... Okay, so now we're gonna place it into the microwave. Okay, so after about 3.5–4 minutes, you're gonna take it out. And voila! All right, there you go. Perfect. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys. Till next time.